Hello everyone, welcome back to Carl is on it. Today we're going to be putting on the number plates, so we're going to head down to Dax Car Wash, basically get the car cleaned. Wanted to get it cleaned today so I can basically do a throwback picture with my Corsa. So anyway, you'll see it in the thumbnail sort of thing. Well, yeah, well, I'm on Instagram anyway. Anyway people, let's get straight to it. I remember this area. I remember when I used to go to work down here before. Jeez, the morning, oh my life. You just see everyone at this traffic lights here, they always race. They literally always race on these traffic lights over here. Literally, I saw an M2 literally put it all the way down. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Anyway, let's do a bit of throwback moment, eh? Jeez. And then when they get to that that speed camera over there, they always slow down. There we go, 40 miles an hour there. Jeez! And then you got this Mercedes behind me as well. Jeez! I've seen that guy before, this M2. This place brings back good memories. Sitting at Solihull, Birmingham. Sorry, Birmingham. Sitting at Solihull. Sitting at BMW Mini. Brings back memories. I've not actually driven down here with this car before, you know. My gosh. So nice to come back to this area again, surely.
Chunky beef.
People, we made it. We're finally here at Dax Car Wash. Jeez! GLA 45. That looks so nice, man. M2 coming out, black and black. That's such a nice spec. Some nice cars that come down here, you know, it's really nice. The car is getting a wash. Took the plates off because I'm going to put the 4D plates on. Jeez! So people, we've officially now got the sticky tapes at the back of the plates. So I'm going to whack them on. These were from roller plates. Just for you guys that don't know, they can do your custom plate for you. If you want to get a discount on there, use the code ONIT10. I'll just put a little thing up on the screen somewhere here, ONIT10, and you can get yourself a discount on your set of 4D plates. So 4D plates essentially are like sort of embossed. You can see them sort of come out from the sides. It just looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, just gonna whack these on and then do like a throwback picture as well, where with the Dac logo. Let's do this. officially clean as well. It's even been polished too, so it just looks absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna whack these on this side here like that. So I'll start it from here and then finish it from there. Yeah, anyway, let's whack up these things here. Make sure they're all firmly placed down as well. That looks so nice. How nice does that look? Absolutely amazing. From this angle. Just looks so nice now. So we've pretty much almost completed the look now. Jeez, we've got black cars coming in today. Right, time to put the final piece of the jigsaw puzzle. Let's put it. Right. This one's hard, you know, you have to try and get it without being too high or too low. Rotate it a bit, just a little bit. There we go. Okay. There we have it, people. The plates are now officially 4D upgraded. There we go.